Hello, Anvisha here. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is all about the serum. I will be reviewing a serum today, the serum from Mamaearth. This is the serum from Mamaearth. I will be reviewing this. And if you're interested to know about this serum, if you want to buy this serum, then watch this video before buying this serum. So without any further ado, let me just start with the video. So the Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum, you all have seen this serum when I bought this in one of my Mamaearth haul video, and if you haven't yet watched that video, then please go and watch that video. Hope you will like it. I'm linking it over here. Just click on this link and you will be redirected to that video. Hope you will like that video. And now talking about this serum, particularly this serum, this is the Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the bottle of the serum, and this is the package of the serum, the outer package. All the things are written in this cover as well as in this bottle. At the front only it is written Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract for acne marks and scars. Okay, so the serum is basically on acne marks and scars. This is Mamaearth, is a paraben-free brand. This is a SLS-free brand, cruelty-free brand. This is a plastic-positive brand. So I have told all this earlier also. So now, basically talking about this is a dermatologically tested product. This is for all skin types, but this is specially for those who have acne-prone skin. Okay. All skin types can use this serum, but even the person who are having acne prone skin, they should use this, they have told. Okay, and this is suitable for men, women both above the age of 15. Now talking about the price of this serum, the price is rupees 599, that is 600, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years and the weight is 30 ml. So you are getting 30 ml of product for rupees 600, and for 2 years you can use this. Now talking about the ingredients of this serum, the ingredients are niacinamide. Like I am reading some of the ingredients. The ingredients are purified water, niacinamide, glycerin, zinc, PCA. Then there is citric acid, ginger extract. Then there is fragrance, allergen free fragrance, okay, etc there. So I am not reading all the ingredients, but this is a good part that they do mention all their ingredients over here, as well as in the bottle they have mentioned all the ingredients. Even on the website they have mentioned all the ingredients. Now coming to the claims of this product, the claims of this product are this reduces acne marks and improves skin texture. So these are the claims of this product. Now talking about what it contains. It contains clearly written, it contains niacinamide and ginger extract. The main ingredients of this serum is niacinamide and ginger extract. Now what does niacinamide do, and what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which really helps in reducing acne, and even those who have eczema, this even reduces eczema, and also this gives a clear skin. Even niacinamide have anti-inflammatory properties in it, so it reduces the redness and inflammation of the skin. If you keep on using niacinamide products, then it will even reduce the pore size. If you are having pores, then it will even reduce the size of the pores. Now talking about the next main ingredient, that is ginger. Now what will ginger do? Ginger, as we all know, ginger is very much good for hair, but it is even good for skin. It reduces the acne, it reduces the scars, it too gives a glowing, healthy glowing skin. But if you are using any product like any DIY product made up of ginger, then do keep in mind that you should not use ginger very much. Like you should measure the quantity of using ginger, because ginger can even give your skin a irritation kind of thing if it is used very much. Okay. Now talking about this serum, this is said that we should use this serum twice a week. However, I was using this serum, if I use this on Monday, then I was using this on Wednesday. In an alternative day, I was using this serum. Okay. We should not use this serum regularly. It is written clearly, and I also think that we should not use this serum regularly like other serums and all. And for application of this serum, you just have to take few drops of this serum on your palm and then just apply it and rub it and let it absorb in your skin. This do not make the skin feel greasy or oily sort of thing. Like few serums do make the skin greasy and oily sort of thing, but this do not make the skin feel greasy or oily, which is really a good part of this serum. Even you can use this serum in the summers. Let me show you the serum. You have to open this, then you're getting a dropper sort of thing, and if I like this, you have to put it, and let me show you. this is the texture of this serum. This is watery in texture, not that much condensed. This is a watery sort of thing, and like see, I have just applied and vanish. So like this only it will get absorbed in your skin and it won't make the skin feel greasy or oily sort of thing, and it will also give a glow. This serum do comes in a glass bottle like other serums. Generally serums do comes in a glass bottle. This also comes in a glass bottle. Now talking about what I feel about this product or what I have like noticed while using this product. Like I was using this product for so long, so what I have noticed, this do reduces inflammation of the skin. This is not at all greasy. This do not make your skin feel oily sort of thing. You can surely use this in summers. This do have nice ingredients in it, natural ingredients. This do smoothens the overall skin texture, even it brightens the skin. Like this do give a healthy glow to your skin if you keep on using this product. And talking about the acne and pimples, this do reduces the active acne and pimples. But talking about the scars, I haven't seen any changes in the scars. So from the scar point, I won't give it a sort of thing. And talking about the name of this, here clearly written that this is for acne marks and scars, and the name of the serum is Skin Correct Face Serum. Skin Correct is okay part, but the thing that for acne marks and scars, I don't think so that this do really works on acne marks or scars, because I haven't noticed anything about that. This do even have a mild fragrance in it which I like really very much, and it is written that this is the allergen free fragrance, but the fragrance I really like very much, a mild fragrance this do have. And overall this is a good serum at this price point. Like for rupees 600 you are getting 30 ml of product and the ingredients are really good. So overall this is a nice serum, gives a glow to your skin, reduces the acne, but do not work on scars that much. So I would say a nice product, a nice serum. However, I have to keep in mind that if you are buying, you have to keep in mind that this do not stick to its claims properly. Like this do not fulfills all of its claims. The claim that I have read out, it was reduces acne marks, improves skin texture. This do improve the skin texture with no doubt, but this do not, I don't think this reduces the acne marks, because I haven't seen any changes while using this product for so long. It is almost finished, like 70% of the product is finished, but I haven't seen any changes in the acne marks and spots. So I have to say all this only. So if you are buying this product, or if you are thinking of buying a serum, this sort of serum, then keep all the points in your mind that I have told you. So yeah, that's all about this video, and hope you like this video, and do not forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And if you want this kind of videos, then do subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more videos. So yeah, that's all. Ta-da!